Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video, I am sharing with you how to make the best pap for babies and for adults. I'll start by adding the corn inside a bowl. I'm using yellow corn. You can use the white one as well. Add water. I will wash the corn, cover and leave it to soak for 3 days. And every day I will change the water. 3 days later, the corn is soaked and it's going to be easy to blend. I'll transfer it to the sink and wash it very well. After washing the corn, I'll add carrots, which will take this pap to another level of deliciousness. Add dates for sweetener. Be sure to remove the seed from the dates so it won't spoil your blender. It's time to blend it. I'll add the corn inside the blender. Add carrots. Add dates. Add enough water to help the blade of the blender. I'll cover the blender and I'm going to be blending it in batches. I'll blend into a smooth paste. I'll transfer the blended corn inside a bowl. Repeat the process until everything is done. Next, I'll be using a nut bag to strain the corn. You can use a chiffon cloth as well. Add the blended corn. Add water. I'll tie the bag. And squeeze it. I'll repeat this process until everything is done. And once that is done, I'll cover and leave it to settle for 2 hours. After 2 hours, the pap is well settled. I'll gently strain out the water on top of it. Then use a spoon to scrape it very well and stir. And I'm going to be using a muslin bag. I'll transfer the pap inside the muslin bag. And tie the bag. I'll place it on a sieve to help the liquid out. You can also place heavy objects on top of it. Leave it to stay for at least 6 hours or overnight. After 6 hours, all the liquid are out. I'll put it on a tray and untie the bag. And remove the pap from the bag. The pap is ready. Just look at how beautiful this pap looks. Cut it into your desired size. And I store the pap in a Ziploc bag, and this will be going inside the freezer. They can last up to a year in the freezer. If you're putting it in the fridge, add water on it. Cover and put it in the fridge, and you can also be straining the water at frequency. Next, to make it into powder form, I'll transfer it inside the dehydrator. I'll cover and leave it to dehydrate. Another way you can dry it without dehydrator is to spray it on a tray. Cover it with a net and put it under the sun to dry. The dehydrator is off and the pap is dried, and I'll go through it to see if it's properly dry. And all of the train are well dried. And this is the one that was dry with the train is also dry as well. Next, I'll transfer it inside the blender. Cover it. And blend it into powder form. The powdered pap is ready. I transfer it to a bowl. The powdered pap is very smooth. Leave it to air out before storing it. Store in an airtight container and cover it. The powdered pap can last from 6 months to a year without putting it in the fridge. To make the pap, add room temperature water. Mix to dissolve it. Add hot boiling water. Stir it right away to avoid any lumps. Add milk. To make the powder pap, add room temperature water. Stir to dissolve it. Add hot boiling water and stir. Add milk. For adults, use any milk of your choice. For babies, use baby milk. This pap tasted very delicious even without adding any sweetener to it. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.